Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn about basic user interface of Solidworks. After running the Solidworks, you get this initial interface. To get simply started, click the new button over here. It opens up the template selection menu. Here you notice three types of template: part template, assembly template and drawing template. Now click the part icon. Now once you start a new part, you notice that SolidWorks interface is divided by 6 unique sections. This section is called as standard toolbar. This area is called as command manager. This is feature manager design tree. This is view toolbar, task pan and finally a graphics area. We will discuss all of this in details, starting with standard toolbar. Standard toolbar can be used for basic functions like starting a new document. You can also open and save documents here. Open document, save document. You can also use the system option from this gear button. Additionally, hovering the cursor over SolidWorks badge, you can find the file drop down. So all the command and options are available here. You can see all command and tools are available in this drop down. You can pin it or unpin it from here. And just remember, hovering your cursor over pretty much anything in SolidWorks will display the tooltips that will show you the what that command does. Like if you hover over this, it will show you the tooltips. Okay. So the next is command manager. This area is called as command manager. This is a context sensitive toolbar that gives you different sets of command based on the mode you are in. We have different tabs down here. For feature, sketch, evaluation, you can see different tabs. You can add or remove manually these tabs if what you require. Like you have to just right click over it and you can see different options here like elements, mold tools. You can add by checking it. You just check it and it is adding here, and you can remove it also. You can remove this by uncheck it. Just uncheck it, it will go from there. One more thing, it is possible to search for command from here also, in this from this box. If you want line command, you just have to drop down this button, select commands and search your command from here. Like I want line command, line, and you see the this will gives you line command, or you can just see the location of this command by clicking on this I button. It will show you where this command is. Next section is feature manager design tree. This is a chronological hierarchy of all the sketches and features that have been created or applied to the model that appears after the origin. Because we have don't have anything here, so it is simply empty. It also contains three default planes like front plane, top plane and right plane. If you add any model here, you can see it will show his design tree here. I will open some file from here. So you can see the history of this part. Like it is first command is was extrude. After that one, fillet two, rib. All these command is shown here. You can edit these features from here also. Just right click over it and you can edit from here. Edit feature, edit sketch and all. You can also delete these features from here also. You can delete it simply. Okay, we will discuss all these things in future tutorials. So next section is view toolbar. Over here in this there are different options like zoom to fit. You can zoom to fit option. You can zoom to area. If you want to zoom some particular area, you can just click select those area, it will zoom that area. You can also go to previous view. From this you can also use section view. You can look at required sections what you want. Just click it and select the plane from where you want to see the section and just drag it and it will give you that required section. After that there is a view orientation. You can orient easily from this option. From any side you can see your model. You want front, if you want front view. If you want side view, left or right, you can easily see your model according from this option. You can also have display style. You can change display style from this tool. If you want line hidden line removed option, you can line drawing. All these options are there. You can also change the you can also hide or show the items like planes, hide or show primary planes, axis. All these options are here. You can also change your appearance from here. You can edit your appearance from this tool. Next option is taskpan. This is a collection of miscellaneous tools. You have their like design library, your view palette, and different miscellaneous options are over here. We will discuss all these options in future tutorials. Next section is graphics area. Finally, we have the graphics area. This is where all your model or drawing are viewed. You see, in this is your graphics area. You are viewing your model or your drawing over here. And one more option is there, that is your status bar. This is your status bar below the graphics area. You can change your unit like mmgs unit, ips unit. You can select it over here. That's all for the user interface basics. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.